Words that start with the letter P. How do we produce this sound? Place your lips firmly together. Stop the air from coming in or going out. Pop your lips open. Watch out for the puff. To test if you're doing it correctly, you can use your hands or you can use a piece of paper. Remember, the consonant sound is affected by the following vowel. Let's see. Pat, pet, pot. What to do if the letter P is in the middle of the word? In these words, there is usually no puff effect. Example, spicy. He likes spicy food. Remember, with this word, we don't pop our lips, so make sure to not pop. Spicy, spicy. Another word is hospital. We mark the letter P by closing our lips, but we don't puff or pop open. An extreme example that uses both P's, puffed and unpuffed, is the word purple. 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 Let's check. Purple. Purple. And with words that end with the letter P, mark the letter P by closing your lips, but don't produce a sound. No pop nor puff. Example, top. 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 Some possible mistakes are to link vowel sounds between the words. Incorrect, top apple. So mark the P to avoid this problem. Correct, the top apple is beautiful. Incorrect, top apple. Correct, top apple. So we use the P to separate the words. Top, we don't finish the sound. Apple. Letter P in sentences. Intonation. We can use the letter P to create word clusters. I have hope in humanity. I have hope in humanity. Whoops! Another mistake is adding vowel connecting sounds like I. Incorrect. I have hope in humanity. Sometimes we don't produce the letter P, like in raspberry. Update your notes. Extreme idea. Remember that the puff is produced by both your mouth as well as your lungs by using hot air. Puff, puff, puff. Remember, extend it, feel it, enjoy it. Whoopsie! Don't seal your lips too much. Check by placing 2 fingers on your mouth and pushing them with your lips. A mistake some students do is they seal their lips too much. To make sure that you're not making this mistake, you can use your hands. Puff, puff, puff. Feel the letter P. It's a sound produced by your vocal organs physically. Don't overthink it. Just do it. Now go practice.